Hello, in this video we will be demonstrating overall project work. Our project name is Implementation of Shneiderman's 8 Golden Rule in Online Hotel Reservation Application. Our project members are Pramod, Adarsh, Rishabh and Arjun. We initiated our project with problem identification. Afterwards, we carried out literature review and conducted survey to illustrate our problem statement. After that, a case analysis was done with two different groups, and finally the design work followed by evaluation and testing was carried. First week, we identify usability issue in interface like unclear steps, trust and credibility, error handling, feedback in online hotel reservation in the context of Nepal. Then we carried out different literature review for our problem statement. To illustrate our problem statement, we first identify the targeted audience or stakeholder for our user interface. We found out that persons associated with tourism sector like travelers, hotel, travel agency were the main stakeholder for us. We then conducted our survey to illustrate our problem statement. For survey, we first created questionnaires based on our problem statement in a simple language. We used Google Form to model those questionnaires into survey. The response of survey was taken and evaluated. Altogether, 44% took our survey. After the completion of survey, in the next step, we created a user persona from multiple targeted audience. This persona included codes, goals, frustration while using online reservation, user brands, their area of interest, and their social connection and behaviors. This leads us to the foundation of design process for week 3. In week 2, we conducted a case analysis of our problem statement. For this, we have picked up two groups having similar stakeholder and area of interest. The first group had area of interest of e-commerce, having e-commerce as their targeted audience. The second group had area of interest of tourism sector, having tourist as their targeted user. In week 3, the design procedure of our project was initiated. We first created an initial prototype of project website, stating the common sequence and action. In second phase, we evaluated our prototype. For this, we presented our prototype to the user and created a questionnaire to collect feedback using Google Form. The prototype was then redesigned based on the feedback. The aspect like action sequence, font size, visibility of the information was modified. In week 4, we first designed a simple UI based on final prototype of week 3. After that, our UI was subjected to heuristic evaluation. This was conducted by other project group member. Shneiderman's 8 Golden Rule of heuristic evaluation was used because it identifies usability issue in interface design. We used Google Forms to collect the response of evaluation. Characteristics of user interface like consistency, use of shortcuts, feedback, error handling, action reversal, locus of control, recognition capability was evaluated. Our group played a role of interface consultant and took part in heuristic evaluation of other project group. We got opportunity to learn about color theory, typography, different navigation and layout, and importance of image in e-business application on doing so. Week 5, we designed our final UI based on Shneiderman 8 Golden Rules from the response of week 4. The feedback in the system and the locus of control that was major issue as identified by the evaluation was sorted in the final UI. In week 6, we conducted a usability testing survey. The UI which we designed in the previous week was subjected to testing. We first created an easy set of questionnaire so that user can feel free while answering. We modeled those questions into survey with the Google Form. The response was collected and were positive. Our project was completed. This included the work like research, survey, analysis and observation, design, evaluation, testing, and finally minimal value product was obtained, satisfying 8 golden rules of interface design to solve usability issue of UX UI in hotel reservation application. Thank you. Bye bye and have a good day.